What is up, guys? Here in Siesta Crew, it's been a while since I've posted a YouTube video. So, recently, me and my friends, we all decided to come down here and just, hang out. Pretty good time, I would say. We're gonna meet up here soon. It's a nice, pretty day today. I'd say so myself. Also, guys, I just, got this GoPro. Love this thing. It's got amazing quality on it. Highly recommend it. I mean, get any GoPro. I mean, I got the basic one. I got the Hero 7. I think it's white. But it's pretty cool stuff. Definitely check it out. Definitely worth the money. I mean, I know it seems like a lot, but definitely worth the money. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please, 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 please. I love doing these types of things. Video editing is one of my favorite things to do on the low. So please give this thing a thumbs up.
Big body, girl, girl. She got a big booty, so kind of big body.
Oh, look, they gotta fix that one.
Yay.
It's one kilo.
Wow. Pretty sad.
I know.
The water.
You gotta get the flop. Gotta get the flop.
I'm fucking done.
Whole lot of game shit, man. There you go.
That's the serious show.
So the scoop is, I forgot to record an outro, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also just found out this thing, it's like a wireless charging pad, that's so dope. But anyway, see you guys.